I will assume such that I have a form of equation such as ax plus b whole square. Suppose I have this kind of equation. So when I will open this by identity, I will get like this way: a square x square plus 2axb plus b square. I have this kind of equation. So when I compare this one with this, okay, I am comparing the coefficients. So when I compare, what I get beta as a square is equal to your 4 minus k. Then your 2ab as 2k plus 4, and b square is equal to 8k plus 1. Okay, these are the coefficients. So from this I can get k is equal to what? 4 minus a square. And 2ab is equal to 2k plus 4. So I will put this in this. So I can write 2ab is equal to 2k 4 minus a square plus b plus 4. So I get the form. What I will get? 8 minus 2a square plus 4 is equal to 12 minus 2a square of k. So when I put the value of k, I will get what? B square is equal to 8 4 minus a square plus 1. Okay, now solve this. What I will get? 32 minus 8a square plus 1. So I will get 33 minus 8a square. Okay, now see, when I have the b square, so I can write also I have b square as just right now, that is 6 minus a square by a. I have this also whole square, and I have this also. See, everything comes in the a format. A format mein aa gaya na? Everything come in the a format. So now I can easily form my equation as a 12a square plus 36. Okay, and downstairs will be a square, and here I have what? 33 minus 8a square. So I will multiply this a square. So I have a 4 minus 12a square plus 36 is equal to what? 33a square minus 8a4. Right? So rearrange everything. 5a square. So I will put in determinant form. Now then only I can get my that equation. Okay, means I will turn it like this way only, na? Then I can apply this determinant rule.
Yes, ma'am.
So my quadratic polynomial roots alpha beta will be what? Alpha beta will be quadratic polynomial roots. It will be 45 plus minus under root of minus 45 square minus 4 9 36 under root divided by 2 into 9. Tell me, do your 4 and beta is equal to 1. Now these two are what? A square. Now I have done y, a square is equal to y. So I will write what? That a square is equal to 1 times 4. This means ki a is equal to plus minus under root of 4, and a square is equal to 1. That means a is equal to plus minus under root of 1. You got my answer? So how many values of a I have? I can now my question is how to calculate the value of y. I got the value of this. So see, I know that k is equal to what? 4 minus a square. So this implies that I put the a value. So a square value is 4. A square value is 4. So k is equal to 4 minus 4. So it will be 0. And if I put the here I put a square value as 4. Okay. And if I put a square value as 1, so k is equal to 4 minus 1, it will be 3. So I have two values of k, that is 0 or 3, and I have four values of a, that is plus minus 2 and plus minus 1. These